Resistance measurements. We are about to measure the resistance of a resistor whose value from the color code is 10 kiloohms. The 2 kiloohm range is now selected. Since the selected range is less than the value being measured, the reading is 1. In other words, the value of the resistor is higher than the selected range. Now, the 20 kiloohm range is selected. The reading is 9.97 kiloohms. We know it is 9.97 kiloohms and not 9.97 ohms because of the K in the range selected. Now we will measure the resistance of a resistor whose color code indicates a value of 470 kiloohms. Keep selecting a higher range until a reading is obtained. The resistance is 0.466 megohm or 466 kiloohms. The M indicates the reading is in megohms. If you hold the two terminals of the meter and resistor with your fingers, the same 470 kiloohm resistor just measured will give a reading of 0.23 megohm, which is incorrect. This is because your body has resistance which is connected in parallel with the resistor and gives the wrong measurement. I am now measuring the resistance of my body. It is about 4.6 megohms. This is how you measure the value of a resistor that is connected to a circuit. First, disconnect the voltage source. Then desolder and lift one end of the resistor. Proceed to measure the resistance.